How to unlock guns in Hunting Sniper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock guns and equip them. First of all, open your Hunting Sniper application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this gun icon. Tap on this gun icon. So these are the guns that are available with me. So in order to select them, just tap on them and tap on the select button. So it has been selected. Now in order to unlock other guns, here you must complete to this tour level. So tour is basically a level in this game. You must unlock them in order to get this gun. So I'm gonna show you where this tour section is. Tap on this hunting button in the middle. So these are the tour that you must unlock first. First, you must play with the random players, play with online players and win them, and certainly you'll get the prizes along with the gun, and then you can equip them in the gallery. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching.